Today was a midweek public holiday, so Delina and I took a ride this afternoon out to one of our favourite spots out at Woody Point, which is out near Redcliffe. Not only is it a lovely spot to be, but it's a beautiful ride out there, as you'll see. About to go over one of the longest bridges here in Australia at the moment. It goes from the mainland over to Redcliffe. It used to be called the Hornibrook Highway. I'm not sure what it's called these days. They called it after some public servant, I'm sure. But it's an interesting ride over there. And luckily enough today the tide was in, so we didn't see mudflats, we saw water, which was very nice. Thank you once more for joining us on our ride this afternoon. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed the ride, and hopefully one day, if everybody gets an opportunity, they will ride over to Woody Point or Redcliffe and enjoy the scenery just as we did today.